Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown strong together.
Hello, you're with Libby Dyson from libbystamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I'm here today to show you how to set up an event in your Facebook business page. So I have my Facebook business page open, and I'm going to come over here to event and click on it. It opens up a new window. Now I want to change the photo I have for my event, so I'm going to go to where I have my images saved and select an image. You can drag it to where you want, and then you can put in a short event name. So I'm going to call this Live with Libby, and it's going to be here on my page, and I'm going to come back to my Word document where I have all things saved and go back here to my business page and tell people about it. Hope to see you for Live with Libby. I'm going to cut out tomorrow because I don't want them to come tomorrow. For Live with Libby, 12 noon Sydney time. Come and chat with me, stamp with me, laugh with me, have some fun, participate, and you may win a prize. Select a category. Crafts occurs once. Now you can change that to daily, weekly, or custom, but I'm only having it on this one Monday. Come down here and it starts on July the 15th and it ends on July the 15th. It starts at 12 noon and finishes at 1 o'clock or 1300. No co-hosts, add pages and friends, details, add schedule, add keywords. So here I'm going to add in card making, rubber stamping, Libby stamps, and Stampin' Up. Child friendly, admission, free, options, anyone can post, and then I've saved it. Alright, so that's how I set up my event. So I'm going to publish it, and there it is, Live with Libby, July 15th, Libby stamps, and that's my next event. So that's already set up. Now you can set that up for classes as well, doing the same thing, just give it a different name. You can set it up for events that you might have, like an open house, a catalogue launch, any of those sorts of things. So I hope you find that useful, and that's it for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.
Doesn't matter where you go, you find a friend who does just what they love and lets it show.